What's up guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna repair my handrest on door panel. As you can see, it's not hard anymore, and when I start to remove my panel off, few plastic pieces come out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this is construction tape for sheetrock for joints. This is fiberglass tape, and I'm gonna use construction foam, and also I'm gonna use epoxy. So remove your panel, guys. In my case there is 2 bolts here and 1 bolt here. This is Nissan Pathfinder 2015, and of course window module. Then pull your panel. There is a clips, usually all the cars is the same. Remove your panel. It's not that hard. Okay, I see. You see guys, that's where we're gonna work. So I'm gonna put all those pieces together, and then I'm gonna put some epoxy and tape, and then I'm gonna fill everything with construction foam. Align your broken pieces, guys. As you can see, I already did mine. Put everything together as close as possible, then apply your tape, then put the tape in every spot as much as you can. The good thing about that tape is that it has adhesive side, so it can stick, so it's much more easier to work with. And one more thing, before you start apply your tape, make sure your handrest is looks okay, because you don't wanna gaps or dents on your door panel. So I'm gonna put more layers. How many layers should I put? You can easily test it, check it like this. So 2 layers, it's not enough. 4 layers, or maybe 8 layers. 8 layers is too much, so I'm gonna use like 5-6 layers. Pay attention to the corners. Okay, now I'm gonna mix epoxy, and I'm gonna apply my epoxy to it. All right, now this side. Shit, not enough. All right, so I'm gonna leave it now like this for 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and check it. Now I'm gonna apply some foam. Or again, I'm gonna put first here in those spots, and then I'm gonna fill out the foam up to here, so the foam is gonna be up to this point. Alright, so guys, don't forget to check your work some often, because the foam, it starts to extend and it's gonna pull everything out. So you see, like in my case, I'm gonna make a hole somewhere, I guess here, like this, right? And I'm gonna push everything. You see the foam coming out? Alright. It's still dry over there inside. Still dry. Alright, so let's see. 3 hours later. Still wet. Still shit. Alright, so okay, so that's, you see that it start coming out from the sides, and Yeah, I need to cut this little bit. I'm gonna cut it because I'm not gonna be able to put the panel back. Alright, and then I'm gonna install it back, and that's it, I guess. Alright guys, that's what I got. As you can see, I'm gonna install it back and we're gonna try it. Okay. 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 Alright. Okay. Alright. So as you can see, much more better. The foam come out here, but I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna use a black marker or something and I'm gonna just paint it. Okay, thank you for watching, join to my channel and see you soon.